Hey, what it do, ski? Your boy Big Zoe back with another reaction video. I'm back with another reaction video. You on Quotable Gems, baby. Quotable Gems, man. Where we dropping all the gems and all the knowledge, man. Learning off experience. So we ain't gotta learn off our experience. But yeah, what we got here today, we got someone got caught with 700 pounds of that good. 700 pounds of that good in a Uhaul truck. Body cam footage. We're gonna check this out, see what it's hitting on. Let's get it. Oh, this was on the highway in the snow. What this was at? Ohio State Highway. This was in 2005.
How are you? Did you know the people in the van? Do you know the people in the van? Huh? Huh? No Spanish. How do you know the people in the van? How did you? Can I open the door? How do you know the people in the van?
What van?
Did you know the people in the van?
No.
Oh, okay. Here. I don't want it to blow away.
Oh.
Reason I'm stopping you is you were driving over the edge line. Want to make sure you're not texting and driving on your phone or anything.
No.
ID with you?
Of course.
Where are you headed to?
Huh?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
To PA.
PA?
Yeah.
What do you have?
What?
What are you hauling?
I'm moving.
Oh, you're moving?
Yeah.
Did you rent the van?
Hmm?
Where are you coming from?
To Oklahoma.
Coming from Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have in the back?
Hmm?
What do you have in the back? What's in the back?
He keeps saying, huh?
Furniture? What do you have?
Hey, look, my mama said, if my mama always said, if you can say home, you can hear. If you say home, you can hear. You heard me the first time. That's why you say home, motherfucker.
Yeah, furniture.
Okay. Rental agreement?
You try to think of a excuse to come up with.
Who rented this?
Huh?
Who rented this?
My friend.
Your friend? Rental agreement?
Oh, the papers?
Yes, papers,
Oh.
papers, sorry.
Oh. Los papeles del yugo.
Is that marijuana? Marijuana? Okay. How much marijuana do you have with you?
No.
Okay.
Ooh,
I'm not finding papers, boss.
ooh.
Okay. Do you care if we look in the back?
Hmm?
Can we
Ooh.
look in the back?
Yeah.
You want to come back there with me?
Mm-hmm.
No guns or anything on
No,
you?
hell no.
Okay.
Ooh, got caught with a little.
Find it.
The dogs ready to find something. They ready to find some, baby. Some on that back. Some in the back.
Find it. Good job.
I'm gonna grab my I'm gonna grab the lock cutter.
Yeah, he said he doesn't have the key for it.
Dude,
the van's 100%, or the van.
Way to bring the bolt cutters out.
And then it
Bring
put
the
in
bolt
front of me and
cutters out.
stopped.
Where's he
Cut
at
that
now?
motherfucker
Kept
lock.
going, but that's why I don't want to walk out.
Niggas ready to be hit.
When it went by.
Yep.
Thick. That thing is. No. The bolt thing is thick. Yeah, I'd say use one side like that.
cut that motherfucker, man.
No, better leave it cut.
I know, dude. This thing is thick. Does
Yeah,
anybody
it's
else
cold
have
out there.
cutter?
I don't know.
I might get my
Up
axe
against
out.
the yeah. Like that. Don't push that motherfucker.
Didn't even do anything.
Listen, man. We're gonna open it. So do you have the
I
key?
don't got the key.
What's in there? What's in there? Huh? What's in the back of this?
He did this at first.
I'm going with my friend over there.
So what's in
He
there?
was ready to say
What's
smoke.
in it?
He's ready to say smoke.
What is in there?
I don't know.
He
No,
ready,
no. Okay.
He's ready to say smoke. He's ready to say smoke. Man, that bolt cut up, man. That nigga just weak. They don't need all that.
I don't think it's doing anything.
I think I made it worse.
It's just bending the crap out of these. What else do we got?
We need a
Grinder or something?
grinder.
I don't know who to ask. Trying to keep an eye out for that van. Quick.
I had to twist it.
Now you gotta get out of it. There you go.
I got it.
There it is. There it is.
They got up there.
It's gonna be loaded. Nice work, sir.
Bombo clot! Bombo clot!
Cambridge.
Damn.
91 season.
Damn.
Can you start a record for this U-Haul? And we'll just have it towed back to the
They must
post.
have had a pop-up shop. Goddamn.
They just need to drive it.
Or just next available driver. Is 1048 near the post or no? I don't know where it's coming from. Well, the same. If there's anybody there that could drive back.
Yeah.
That's a lot of weed. Yeah. I wonder if these are all.
Typically, if you need like the regular record, would be able to handle the U-Haul or more.
Just the driver.
We just need a driver to drive it back to the post. Or 1048. If you're near the post and there's an extra body there that can drive this back.
Yeah.
Hey, 40, what's your 39?
On scene.
Niggas get
He's on scene.
faded. Cheech and Chong faded.
Hey, 40.
Fried cheese, boy.
Turn around.
Just a worker. Just a he already knew, man. He was ready to tell it too. He was like, damn. Damn, he was charged with trafficking, 150K bond. Man, take y'all time out here, man. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Gotta find a way to legalize that shit, man. If you got to hustle, man, try to find a way to legalize that shit, man. Do that shit the right way, man. So you ain't gotta be out here doing shit illegal. Get your license, at least. Shit. Quotable gems, man. Big Zo, man. I'm out here.
Tell me who hot is me. Nigga, I'm a prodigy. Tell me who's stopping me. You haters ain't blocking me.